How to use the Files app on a Chromebook, Android Central. You may have read that a Chromebook is just a glorified browser. But nothing could be further from the truth. Chromebooks can work offline, run progressive web and Android apps, dual boot in Linux, and store files locally. Heck, some Chromebooks come with as much onboard storage as many Windows PCs and Macs, upwards of 128 GB or even 256 GB. What would you want to do with all of that local storage? It's up to you. You can manage how your files and data are stored on your Chromebook via the Files app. I'll show you where to find the Files app on your device, and how you can organize things to your liking. Whenever you take a screenshot or download content from Chrome, that content will end up here in the Downloads folder. Let's take a look at how to organize that content, and how you might want to manage or share the content with your other services. The Files app is sorted by recent media type: audio, images, videos, downloads, play files, and Google Drive. Click on Downloads. In this shot, you can see some of the screenshots I've recently taken. Click on the files you wish to move or delete. Click on the lines or boxes icons to the right of the magnifying glass to change how your items are arranged, either by list or thumbnail view. Click on the three-dot menu to the far right for additional files window options like opening a new window or folder, showing hidden files, and getting a quick glance at how much local storage space is available. As you can see, the Files app on Chrome OS behaves as you would expect a file manager program to behave if you were using a Windows PC or Mac device. Now that you know that this functionality is also available on Chromebooks and Chromeboxes, you can have even more control over your device. The Asus Chromebook Flip C214 is the device that I reach for most days to work on, and I can highly recommend it for anyone looking for an excellent value Chromebook. The Asus Chromebook Flip C214 features a 360-degree hinge, a touchscreen with a stylus, and is built to handle the occasional drop or spill without a problem. It gives me everything I really need in an everyday laptop, and I know that it can take whatever I throw at it, or throw at it. This inexpensive mouse maintains a reliable Bluetooth connection to my Chromebook and has a surprisingly long battery life. When you do need to change the battery, simply lift the magnetic top off. This Bluetooth keyboard has the familiar Chrome OS layout, and it can be paired with two devices at once. There is also a helpful slot that you can place your phone or stylus in. Take a break from the kitchen table or office chair and work from the comfort on the couch or bed. This lap desk is affordable, adaptable, and ready for work or play. If you are a frequent traveler and want a way to keep your Chromebook protected, then you are in luck. We have found and compiled a list of the best backpacks that you can get for your Chromebook in 2020. Finding a good USB microphone for a Chromebook isn't as easy as plucking one off a shelf because of the potential compatibility issues. But there are options. We've done the work to find the best plug-and-play options that will ensure you can talk all you want without technical fuss. Whether you need it for a Chromebook tablet like the Duet or just a full-size mechanical keyboard to use at your desk, you can get a great keyboard for Chrome OS devices of every style and connection type. Jeremy is proud to help keep Austin weird and loves hiking in the hill country of Central Texas with a breakfast taco in each hand. When he's not writing about smart home gadgets and wearables, he's defending his relationship with his smart voice assistants to his family. You can follow him on Twitter at @jeremiute. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.